believed that people who build and create other people's homes have to have one thing for certain. They have to have a really, really big heart. I was already assured of that with the Arora family because we go back a long way. Nimish and I we know each other since the second standard. He used to help me with the homework. I mean seriously, अगर ये ना होते तो शायद एक दो क्लास में फेल हो जाता. So thank you for that. And I think knowing that he took advantage of that कि यार मैंने वहाँ help की थी, अब तू ये कर. So, but jokes apart, as I was saying, their hearts, the vision that they have for the world and what they want to build. But what really got me to sign on the dotted line, what really got me convinced was when I saw the product. And I have to say this on stage here, that I was really, when I touched and I felt the comfort and I mean, it was just fantastic. It was the product that got me to sign on the dotted line. I'm so quite proud to say that. Not many times have I got the opportunity while endorsing something to have to really believe in saying something like that. So I think that needs a round of applause. Okay. Yeah. And that's what made me believe that I'm not just partnering with DC Tex here. I am partnering with the best. And it is the best because Nimish's vision, the family's vision for DC Tex is right up there. It's at the highest level. And I like working with people who dream big, who have vision that is, uncompromising commitment to that vision. And that's what DC Tex is, the best. Thank you.
We really want to thank on behalf of our 800 retailers, the advent of the new face of home furnishing of India, Mr. Hrithik Roshan. Each and everything what he does is from the heart. This home furnishing, home furnishing his life. Whatever I know of him, I'm still learning. He told me in South Africa, never say I could have done that, never say I would have done that, never say I should have done that. Products, he is a curator. If people get to know the truly unique part of him, it's all about style, class, warmth, love, and passion. Thank you so much for your kind words.
My first question was already. Please.
के लिए मेरे पास शब्द नहीं है किसी भाषा में भी. ये ऐसा स्टार है जो खाली इंडिया में नहीं पूरे वर्ल्ड में चल रहा है. मैं इसे बचपन से जानता हूँ. इसकी स्कूल लाइफ में ये निमिष के साथ ट्यूशन लेने मेरे घर में आया करता था और जब थक जाता था और वहीं सो जाता था. इसको भी याद नहीं होगा रात को 2-2 बजे उठकर मैं इसके ऊपर ब्लैंकेट डालता था.
Thank you, Uncle, for that memory. My first question was actually answered by you before I could ask it, so that's fantastic. Why DC Tex? My second question really is, like you said, a lot of actors, they endorse a lot of products, they don't personally use them. What I really want to know is, do you personally or would you personally use DC Tex?
अभी दोस्त की कंपनी है तो एडवांटेज तो लूंगा ना यार. So yeah, I mean it was my good fortune that DC Tex.
No childhood questions.
No childhood. The retailers want to know आपने क्या किया है, क्या करेंगे. I think we had a good time shooting this new campaign. So why don't we ask him to probably sit and he will unveil the.
Before you do that, there's one more question which had come from. They want to know what your vision really is. How far and how long do you see DC Tex Furnishing go ahead with you as a brand ambassador?
Lifelong, yeah.
I have some way to go because he's a rock star. I don't know how much. I gotta lose weight first. Home furnishings में तो weight नहीं lose करेंगे. मोदी जी, कपड़े का वजन भारी करते हैं, लेकिन हम लोग को थोड़ा पतला होना पड़ेगा क्योंकि रॉक स्टार आ गया हमारी इंडस्ट्री में, बहुत सीखने वाले हम लोग उनसे। थैंक यू सो मच बॉस, थैंक यू।
Can we have would you like to see the making first?
Yeah, please.
Can we have the making of the app, please? This is I think the fourth time I'm hosting an event with Hrithik, and every time I ask this one question: have you seen somebody as perfect as him? नहीं, ये सच्ची में पूछ रहा हूँ, ये मेरी पर्सनल सवाल है, ये स्क्रिप्ट का हिस्सा नहीं था। मैं हमेशा इसको देखता हूँ, मुझे लगता है, और मैं आपको बताऊंगा क्यों ये सवाल पूछ रहा हूँ। His intensity, his enthusiasm, his earnest, you know, it's always there. And there couldn't be no better brand association than Visitex, which does the same in their furnishings.
I agree. You know why? Because this entire ad was practically directed by this man. कैमरे के पीछे खड़े हो गए। थोड़ा इस तरह, थोड़ा ये लाइटिंग अच्छी नहीं है। ये कैमरा को यहाँ पे रखते हैं।
ये भी enthusiastic.
This was, I mean, this was what was happening behind the. So
Fantastic. I'd like to now request Mr. Arora, Mr. Rajneesh Arora.